It's Bethanie Tramel.
Madison Barnett.
And today we're doing lab 8,
9, something.
With the coffee and salsa. Okay, so first we're gonna do part 1 of the lab, which is the food coloring coffee filters salt solution. So we cut our coffee filter and put some lines on it with a pencil. And then we have black food coloring that Mary's gonna put dots on the line on each of them. I don't know if it stopped or what, but it's going. It's not moving, so we're marking them with.
Oh, I ripped it.
With a pencil to see what happens after that. We see lots of colors: brown, green, orange, red. So we'll see what happens when these dry.
These are our coffee filters. They've been drying for a little over an hour, and they're all dry now. That's the food coloring I got all over me. But they're all dry now, and it looks like it hasn't really moved. It's pretty much in the same spot, maybe just like a little bit lower. It'll focus. But they're pretty much in the same spot as they were when they were first pulled out of this one.
Okay, so now we're gonna do part 2 of the lab where we make the salsa. Madison is cutting up half an onion, and then we have, we measured out half an ounce of pepper for the salsa. We added the tomatoes, but we don't have a can opener, so we're having to do it a little bit differently. And the lime juice, and I'm gonna add the spices I put in a bag and stole from my house. Okay, here's our salsa, and now we're gonna taste it after 1 minute of making it.
My chip broke. Okay.
Yummy, it's really good. I don't like tomatoes at all.
I just don't like this.
Okay, now we're trying the salsa again after 10 minutes.
I just don't know about it.
Tastes soggier.
I still don't like it.
We cooked the salsa.
Put it back in the bowl.
Put it back in the bowl, and now we're gonna taste it. We just took it out. It's warm.
Tastes a little better.
It does taste better, but the
Vegetables are soft.
tomatoes are so sour.
And so the salsa's been in the fridge for about an hour now, and looks like it's soaked up quite a bit of the juice in there. And now I'm going to try it.
Here I am trying the salsa after an hour.
You can definitely taste the spices more now. It's still not cold, it's still kind of warm, but it's definitely better than it was in the very beginning. The salsa's been in the fridge for 24 hours now. This is kind of what it looks like. And I'm gonna try it. It's definitely a lot better from when we very first tried it. So it's not bad.